Say good morning.
Good morning.
Tyler, say good morning.
Wagwan na yun, midaya panikata!
Good morning. Good morning, good morning.
There's only one that's saying
Good afternoon and good night. Sarah, say it already.
No, sorry, say wagwan. Wagwan na yun.
Oh, you mean the word?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, because my greeting is good morning. Your own is wagwan.
And Sarah with this
And
wagwan.
Sarah copying you, saying wagwan. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new
Day.
busy day here. And my daughter wants to eat the lemon. Everybody's getting ready to head out. Kids going to school. Papa went to work. And Mama is going to do all the drop-offs and get back. Because today I have a lot on my agenda. Today is packing day for vacation. I already tried starting yesterday. So today is just a continuation of. That's okay, Sarah.
Look at you.
Okay, today is just a continuation of what I started yesterday, because I have to pack for everybody around here. Tell her back up. I have to pack for everybody, so that's not easy. Tyler, Ty gets straws. What's wrong?
Tired.
You're tired. That's why you have to sleep on a Sunday. You're not ready. I have to pack for everybody, so that's not easy. So packing for Babe, packing for Sarah, packing for Tyler, packing for myself. I have to sort out everything, and you guys know how detailed I am when it comes to those kind of things. I have to pack for the days. I have to pack medicine. I have to pack backups. I have to pack snack. I have to pack just about everything. So today my mission will be focusing on trying to get as much packing done as possible while the kids are away, because when the kids are away it's easier to pack for them and to get things done faster. Anyway, have a good day. Hopefully you guys are doing well and staying warm wherever you are, because I know a lot of you are cold like myself. I can't wait for this cold to be over. My gosh, January and February, why you have to be so cold? I don't know. Anyway, I also did not get my workout in this month, because when I woke up I was like I'm tired.
Like me.
So I stayed in bed 1 hour extra, and I bet that 1 hour extra make a huge difference than to get up when I wanted to get up. Yes, Dad?
You
Yeah, I look a little bit better this morning. It's not as red.
do you like when there's a lot of rain in winter?
Oh no. I gave Tyler a haircut yesterday too. He badly needed a haircut. I wanted to wait until just before vacation, but no. He couldn't hang on. Tyler is finished. Now it's your turn to finish up.
I do.
You do what?
I do like when there's a lot of rain.
Why? Why you like when there's a lot of rain during winter?
Sarah, because it's for the plants.
I know it's for the plants, but
And if there was no rain, we wouldn't be eating fruits, vegetable, all of that.
that's true. But me, even though it's for the plants, I don't like much rain. I know the rain have to fall for the plants to get the water, but I personally don't like much rain. So you're right, the rain needs to fall for the plants, but me personally don't like much rain, because it means that it's more colder, and it means that I have to struggle to drop you guys at school in the rain.
You see? You
It's
didn't
time
should
to
have
go.
said school.
Alarm
Then
to
should have
leave out to go to school. Anyway, you guys, deuces. Who's gonna be great today?
Me!
Who's gonna be nice today?
Me!
Who's gonna be patient today?
Me!
Who is gonna listen today?
Me!
Who's going to not let anybody bully them at school today?
Me!
Who is not gonna let anybody slap them at school today?
Me!
Me? Who is gonna share today?
Me.
Who's gonna eat all of the lunch at canteen today?
Not me.
Who is gonna take their nap at school today?
Not me.
Who's gonna have a good day?
Me.
Stop shouting.
I have a loud voice.
Yeah, but not so loud. Too early in the morning. Anyway, you guys get all that energy out. Good vibes out. And we'll see you guys later. Tell us later.
Later. Mama?
Yes, Tyler.
When you had say he's going to take a nap today, I had say not me. Since I'm not going to take a nap.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
At the beginning,
No, in the middle. No.
I was going there after it was going a bit, so it was hard, so I had going the middle and
Come over here.
Today I
Sarah, look, Sweetest. Sweetest? Tai. How I started my morning by some good workout. I just don't feel productive whenever I work out after I drop the kids to school, because that's 1 hour and a half chopped out of my day. I could get so much done within 1 hour and a half. That's why I really make the effort to get up and work out before they go to school in the morning, so that when I come back I can hit my day right away. But sometimes when I'm tired, I just have to breathe and say, okay, Mel, rest and fall back within the morning. But I feel so guilty every time I do that, but sometimes it's necessary. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Workout is done. That's most important. It's done. And now I'm jumping right into packing. So I am going to pack. I'm gonna pack. Anyone else uses a list when you're packing for vacation? Me, I have to use a list. Knowing the Melissa that I am, I have to use a list. Because if I leave anything, I'm gonna scream. So I have to have a list, and I have to check it twice. And I start writing my list like a week in advance, so that way once something run in my mind, like, oh, I need to carry that for Sarah, oh, I need to carry that for Tyler, I just jot it down on the list. That way I can't forget anything, and I jot down every little thing on my list. Trust me. Anyway, list is here. Tyler's suitcase is here. Roughly took out his clothes from yesterday. I thought through them yesterday, so I have outfit for every day. And now it's time for me to put them in the suitcase. Having a busy day. I've been having a busy day, packing all day. Okay, when you gotta pack for everybody, that's what happened. But anyway, I'm in the kitchen, I'm making dinner, and I think this is called fricassee chicken. Ooh-wee! Yes. So I just let it let the fat cook the chicken on its own without adding anything to it. So I'll put it on the side of the pot first and let it brown on its own. Now I'm adding some seasoning to it, and then I'm gonna add some ketchup and some water and let that simmer for a bit, and then dinner will be ready on the protein side of things. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna make that simmer. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to that. And we're gonna close that and make that cook. While the protein is going, I have some starch in the fridge. I already have pasta and I have rice. And I have a little bit of green beans. So I'm gonna add some broccoli, fresh cooked broccoli to that. So I'm gonna do the broccoli right now, and by the time I'm finishing up, it will be time to go get Sarah, because today's Monday and it's time Monday Tyler have sports. So I'll go pick up Sarah while they pick up Tyler. So that's what I'm up to right now. My back is hurting me from all the long standing and walking around this house. Shawty, why am I scaring you? But anyway, this is, I'm watching the TV while I'm walking around, so it's just to make myself enjoy doing what I do. Though I really do enjoy pocket, but it's a lot, girl. Off to go pick up my girl and catch the sunset in perfect timing. Look at that. I love sharing the sunset with you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look here.
What?
Say hello.
Hello.
Do you want rice or pasta?
Pasta.
You want pasta? Y'all know the translation to that, right? Y'all know the translation. I just picked her up from school and I'm about to get her some dinner.
Wow. Yeah.
You want pasta and chicken?
Yeah.
And broccoli? You want broccoli? You're not answering that one. You want broccoli? She's not answering that one. Okay. You're gonna get it anyway. Who is that you're playing with? Who is that you're playing with?
It's Wolf and Sarah.
It's Wolf and Sarah?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys, that was chicken outcome. Doesn't that look so juicy? Looks so good.
Here.
What do you want?
It's brushy hair.
You want to brush your hair? Whose hair you want to brush?
Here.
The wolf here? The wolf doesn't have any hair to brush, princess.
Oh, its ears here.
Yes, his ears.
Find some things for you. I think you're going to pack new swimsuits.
La, you not letting me know swimsuit. I was sure. I was
I didn't get it for you to
Yeah, you look alike. Thank you. Where you find it?
It's that hole,
Where you find
I
it?
liked it myself.
Look at where you find. You guys. I hear the camera turn on and I know you were up to something. Baby, where you
The store?
Lie. Which store? You buy it on Amazon? Thanks, babe. Babe, you guys have got my Harry book. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come back in 5 years and you will still be at the beginning.
Give me a kiss. Thanks, honey. Sarah, don't do that. Come, snap a picture of me with it, please.
You enjoy your book?
Yes. I got my second husband. He look just like babe, don't he? Red hair and all. Babe, where did you got it? I went to every bookstore trying to find it in English and they didn't have it. So that means you buy it on Amazon. You trick me. You know, when they tell me that, you've been telling me from me that you have a gift for me and my told me that's it. You see, I like when my husband listens to me when I think out aloud. I like that. Good job, babe. My cheek hurts. You see, it doesn't take much for me to be happy. Just a few dollars. Oh, hurt. Thanks, babe. I'm yet to read off the Michelle Obama one that may have from years ago. But this, I just want to know that I have it in my position. I don't care how long it takes me to read off. But it's going to be done. Thank you, baby. Thank you, honey. Oh, my God. Oh, what's she doing to you?
She's screaming at me. I want to play football.
You want to play football?
Finish because of her.
Come here. Calm down, breathe. That's what comes with having a little sister that annoys you. When you want a little peace. Sarah, why you don't leave Tyler alone? She bothering you, Ty? That's what happened when you have a little sister. She'll grow up one day, okay? Take up your bag from there. Take up your bag. Hey, you, go to your room.
I don't know which one.
Come here. I tell her go to her room. That's okay. Go put up your bag. Sarah, come here. Sarah, come here. It's time to go to bed. Okay, you're gonna hit your face on the bed. Tyler not gonna help you. So watch her, you're still helping her out when she bothering you.
I want to play.
Okay, I'm gonna leave her, let she bother you then. You want her to bother you? Oh my days, not today. You little girl, go to your bed. You go and brush your teeth now. 1, 2,